Are you a Tennessee home buyer or seller? Either way, you must consider your real estate transfer taxes and the liability of them before you buy or sell. And if you want to learn how much it can cost you, then stay tuned, because in today's video, I'm going to tell you all about Tennessee transfer taxes, and we're getting started right now. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to All Things Knoxville with me, Ben Barredo, your local real estate pro and relocation expert for East Tennessee. Before we jump in today's video, I want to remind you that I make videos just like this every single week. So if you like this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and then share this video with someone that may get a kick out of it. And of course, I love making videos like this, but it's not how I pay the bills. So listen, if you want to buy, if you want to sell, if you want to invest, then hit me up. I help people across this country every single day, and I can definitely help you too. Now let's jump in today's video. So what are real estate transfer taxes? If this is the first time you've heard about transfer taxes, make sure to familiarize yourself with them before you reach the closing table. Essentially, transfer taxes are charged for transferring the title of a property to another owner. This tax rate is charged on the sales price of the home. Your state, county, and even district can all charge you transfer taxes. Keep in mind that transfer tax rates vary on a state, regional, and even local basis. Home buyers and sellers alike should consider consulting a local real estate agent or title company / lawyer in your area to learn and understand the real estate transfer taxes for your area and the liability you face when buying or selling. So who pays transfer taxes in Tennessee, the buyer or the seller? Tennessee law establishes that either the buyer or the seller of a property may cover transfer taxes. Typically, the buyer pays deed transfer taxes in Tennessee, unless otherwise stated. If you're a home seller and the buyer is asking you to pay transfer taxes, you should consider negotiating with the other party. Now, in a seller's market, it's obviously something that's not going to be asked of you. A realtor can help you make an arrangement with the buyer about the payment of the deed transfer taxes from your transaction. The other party may be open to accepting you pay only a portion or offer a discount on the sales price or even cover the taxes themselves. So how much are the transfer taxes in Tennessee? In Tennessee, the state charges a transfer tax rate of 37 cents for every $100 of the property sales price. Transfer taxes on a real estate transaction may not exceed $100,000. When a home valued at $300,000 is transferred, the buyer or seller pay the state about $1,100 in deed transfer taxes. Before moving forward, make sure to check out this video right here or follow the link in the description. In it, I give you a quick ghost tour of some cemeteries in Knoxville. So can you deduct transfer taxes? As a general rule, you can't deduct transfer taxes from your federal tax return. Yet, home sellers may use it to lower their capital gains tax liability. When you sell a home, you may be eligible for capital gains tax exemption of $250,000 or $500,000 when filing jointly. If you meet the criteria, all home selling profits over that range will be subject to a 25% capital gains tax. Most real estate investors don't meet the exemption criteria, so they're on the hook for the capital gains liability on their home selling profits. Even though you can't deduct your deed transfer taxes, you may add it as part of your property cost basis. Some other things to consider: besides transfer taxes, you must take into consideration other local tax liabilities you may need to cover as a home buyer or seller. If you're buying a property, you should look into Tennessee's mortgage transfer taxes. The mortgage tax rate in this state is 0.115 cents for every $100 of the property sales price. You should verify the fees included in your closing statement. Make sure you're being charged the fees and taxes in accordance with any buyer and seller agreements. If you received a home buyer rebate, you should make sure that it's charged properly in your closing statement. It doesn't matter if you're a home seller or a buyer, you should consider partnering with an experienced local real estate agent, such as one of are us Coldwell Banker agents, or just me myself if you're here in Knoxville, Tennessee. The right agent will help you navigate and stay on top of everything in a real estate transaction. A good realtor is going to provide step-by-step guidance throughout your home selling or buying journey. Well, hey, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I look forward to seeing you next week. So again, as always, thanks for stopping by, and until then, bye-bye.